These are the elevators at, what was the name of this museum again?
American History.
American History Museum. Washington, D.C. We got, Schindler elevators. I guess, do we want to go there, or?
We want to go down to where our stair-dwelling people...
Okay.
Oh, it's black.
These are newer elevators. And there you go. There's your lanterns, by the way. This is another elevator at the American Museum of History.
They didn't give us a...
This one's a lot more basic than the other one. Hit the top, 3. Does 5 work? I'm not gonna go up there. Oh, it does. Oh, no, it doesn't. We're going to 3. Just seeing if the other floors work. Oh, it's an Otis elevator. Fast, too. Monitor buttons. Swing the bell. That's it. And we only rode these elevators down, so we're gonna ride them.
That's all I have to go by.
There goes that elevator. I'm gonna try to get these lanterns on camera. Probably get the left one.
I'm having a caffeine crash.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
I'll be fine.
Trying to get this bell. What? This one should be coming. Nope, it's that one again. Quick cab view. There we go. Where are you guys headed? What floor are you guys going to?
Second.
Second?
2.
All right.
Okay. Was it the back? Yeah. Floor 2.
This is 2.
Where's the cafeteria? Where's the cafeteria?
Cafeteria.
So there's a Jazz Cafe on one and a Stars and Stripes on the lower level.
All right, all right.
We want to go on the...
Door close does not work. Here we go.
Yeah.
Ride simulators.
Have a good day. Alright, I'll try to get up out of cab view now. Pretty nice elevator. Schindler, 400A. And that's it. Here's the last elevator. We're gonna go up to 2. Oh, press door close.
Interesting elevator.
Alright, let's see. There's 5, 4. Alright. Oh, this one's nicer than the other one. I think this was also an Otis. Cab view. This one has a higher ceiling.
No, remember? Like there was like a 33rd story.
There you go.